wrote a song 6 years ago while playing in a wedding band. The work got out, suddenly the band and I are in demand. And our couples all over Jersey hiring to ensure their wedding bliss. All because of a tune I wrote in that tune. 'Cause I can't oh, when it's your wedding day and my music starts to play, I can guarantee that love will find you. Yeah, when it's your wedding day, all your problems melt away if you count on me. 'Cause love is what I do. And long before the night is through, your Uncle Lou will be my uncle too. I'll be so tight with your cousin Steve. He'll invite me over for Christmas Eve. I'll dance your mom all around the room, and then present the bride and groom. So when it's your wedding day and my music starts to play, I can guarantee that love will always find you. Yeah, when it's your wedding day, all your problems melt away if you count on me. 'Cause love is what, yes, love is what I do. Love I do. Love is what I do. Love is what I do. Cause love is what, yes, love is what
I do.
I do!
Me too.